Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Robby, and this is my craft corner. And today's episode is extra spooky. Okay guys, now let's try some spooky Halloween makeup tutorials.
Hide your hair under a swimming cap, cover your face with white makeup, apply black makeup on the area around your eyes. Start your lip makeup. Apply bright red color. Make a line across your cheek. Add a clown nose. Put on a clown wig. Wow!
Okay guys, let's try this. So here's our bald cap. I actually got a proper bald cap instead of a swimming cap because I felt like it would be a little better. Anyway, let's see if I can do this correctly. Whoa, this looks so weird. So it looks like they just put it on. So off with the beanie, on with the bald cap. I've never put a bald cap on before, so this is gonna be interesting. You guys ready for this? Just, Oh, it smells so weird. Not enjoying this. I don't think that this is right. Do I just tuck my hair up inside of it? This is way harder than I thought it would be. Oh, did I rip it? No, it's not ripped. Okay, so it goes on like this. Like that. Tuck my hair up. Is that doing it? I think I might have gotten it. Wow, okay. Did this come with instructions? It did. Oops. It did. Use spray bottle to dampen hair and comb back straight. Oh, that's where I went wrong. I don't have a spray bottle. Okay, we're back and I dampened my hair. Gosh, I look so weird right now. I look like Draco Malfoy from Harry Potter or something. I really gotta put that color in my hair. Here we go. Down in the comments down below, tell me what color I should dye my hair next. I already put a poll up and you guys said blue, but I'm just making sure you guys want blue. Anyway, so it says, using spray bottle, dampen hair, give spirit gum. Okay, there's some stuff I'm missing here. I need other things. This is so complicated. I never thought that a bald cap would be this complicated. So, really, I put my hair back like that. Okay, and then get it all up in there. Get in there, hair. Okay, yeah, not bad. And that said something about using glue. Yeah, apparently I was supposed to buy glue with this. Anyway. Okay, then I have to cut the cap so that it goes over my ears. Oh, this is not good already. Is that right? I don't think so. I mean, it's close. It's pretty freaking close, okay? Come on. Oh, now I'm cutting with my left hand. Oh, this is so confusing. Oh, can't get it to cut. There we go. And I got it. Yeah, okay. I think a little bit higher. Yeah, looks good. What the heck even, dude? I don't have any wig cap glue, so I'm just gonna use this eyelash glue. Maybe that'll help. I've never used this really before, so this is gonna be interesting. So just peel it back a little bit and kind of place it on there. I feel like the stuff is probably really strong. Oh boy. How long does eyelash glue take to dry? I hope it's not super fast because I'm taking so long with this. Oh, that is very sticky. Ooh. I hope I didn't make the wrong decision with this. Okay, time to flip it all down. Ready? Here we go. Oh my gosh, it's sticking. It's actually working. This one is way longer than this one. Maybe I could trim it a little bit. Good enough. Okay, now I gotta do the back somehow. Same as front, I guess. There we go. This is so hard to do. Like, I don't know. This whole thing is making me nervous. I feel like I'm not gonna be able to get the bald cap off. It's gonna glue on my scalp, and I'm just gonna be a bald boy forever. Okay, yeah, it's sticking. Now for the other side. I accidentally pressed play on the video. It scared me. I'm a very jumpy person, guys. I'm sorry. There we go. Yeah, I think that'll do it. I just have to make sure not to sneeze. Okay, now I gotta cover my whole face with white makeup. It's a good thing that I got my clown kit. There we go. Okay, here we go. So we just get some of this white, put it all over my face. Doo-doo. Oh, man. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, I'm gonna be frank, this little stupid sponge kind of sucks, so I'm gonna go ahead and break out my own. Maybe this makeup's just really chunky. It's like not good. Dude, I look so weird right now. I just look like a pair of eyes on like a white face. Dude, I look so weird! Oh my gosh! What the heck even, man? This is so strange. Okay, then apparently I'm supposed to add like dark circles under my eye. So here we go. Is this lipstick? I feel like I'm not using the right thing. Oh, I see where I went wrong. I was supposed to use that, not that. That was lipstick. I put lipstick on my eye. Guys, I'm a class A beauty guru, okay? There we go. Now the other one. Oh, I messed up right here. No. Maybe I can blend it in a little bit. Ah! Dang it. I'm really good at this. Maybe if I just get a little bit of white to cover it up. There we go. Did it just fall off? There it is. Yeah, all fixed. Okay, good enough. Now let's do our lips. They had bright red lipstick in there, so like that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I hope I do this right. Here we go. This is really hard. I don't know how like people do this every day. Okay, I totally messed up my lipstick. Dude, this actually goes on so nice with your finger. I feel like I was supposed to do that with the white paint. Oops. Oh, my nose is so itchy. Okay. Lips are not perfect, but they are done. Now I gotta do his squigglies. Here we go. That goes kind of out a little bit. Is that okay? I think it's okay. I'm doing the best with what I got here, guys. Okay, one down. Time to do the other one. How's that look? I think that looks okay. It's not bad. Yeah, looking pretty good. Okay. I just gotta do the nose and my wig and I'm all done. Just a little cute little red nose. Yeah, looking good. Perfect. Now we just gotta put on our wig and we're all done. Here we go, and... Hiya, Georgie. This looks fun. Let's show Tori. Oh, Tori! Tori Dobransky. Look at what I did. Wow, oh my God. Whoa, Tori, what?
You look great, Rob.
Do you hate it when you go to a party and you guys both wear the same thing?
You look wonderful.
Wait, so you're doing...
I like how your nose has a little heart on it. You look great.
Do I look scary?
A little bit, yeah. It kind of scared me.
Hiya, Tori!
This is scary. I don't enjoy.
Oh, hiya, Benji! I don't think Benji likes it very much.
Do I.
Well, what do you think? 1 through 10, what would you rate this?
I would give this a 9 out of 10.
Really? You think I did that good of a job on my It costume?
You did great.
Whoa. Well, guys, I guess we can say that this one works.
Woo.
Also, it's Tori approved. Time to go scare some little tennis balls. La 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 la. Oh, hi, Georgie. My name is Toby. Your name is Georgie now. I gotta go. Wait, come back. Want me to show you how to craft a paper boat?